Hey everyone, in this screencast we are going to create an interactive button using jQuery UI. jQuery UI is a powerful framework for creating rich widgets quickly and easily. So first of all, download the latest build from jQueryui.com. Okay, upon downloading you will find an archive similar to this one. So extract it and you will find three folders inside it. In this screencast we are interested in the CSS folder only, which consists of our theme which we have downloaded from jQuery UI and the core CSS file for theming our UI elements. First of all, we will create an HTML file. We will save it in our jQuery UI folder as day1. Now, first of all, we will link the CSS file in our HTML page. Now we are going to add jQuery too, so that we can have different interactive states upon events such as click and hover. You can find jQuery in the JS folder of jQuery UI. There it is. Now we are going to define an anchor element in the body. We will give it a dead link. As you can see, we have just created a simple element, a anchor. Let's take a preview. As you can see, this is a simple anchor tag with no styling. Now, jQuery provides a powerful CSS framework which we can call directly from its classes inbuilt. It has a wide range of inbuilt classes. First of all, our element is in default state and no event is triggered. So jQuery provides a set of state classes for this. You can access it by UI state and we want our button to be default. Now let's take a look. As you can see, we have created a button, but it still inherits the anchor tags properties. So jQuery UI provides helper classes for such purposes. You can access them by UI helper, and we will use a UI helper reset class to reset the element's properties. jQuery UI also provides classes such as UI corner all, so that we have a rounded rectangular button. As you can see, we will give it some nice heading. Okay, as you can see, we have just created a button without even touching the Photoshop or CSS code. Now let's add interactivity to it. First of all, we want its UI to change on click event so that users can notice that the button has been clicked. First, we will declare the anonymous function. Now we are going to call the jQuery click function onto the anchor tag. And since when button is clicked, it is in active state. So UI state class also provides an active class. We can add it by simply calling the add class method onto the current object. Now let's take a look. On click, as you can see, the state changed. Now we will take it a bit more further. We want the state to change on hover also. So we will call the hover function onto the anchor tag. Oops, sorry. This function block defines for mouse enter and this one for mouse exit. Now when mouse enters, we need to add a class for hover, and state class also provides a hover class. As you can see, this will add the UI state hover class to our current element. Now when the mouse exits, we need to remove that element too. So we can remove it by simply calling the remove class method. Oops, sorry. Now let's take a look at it. Oops, there is a mistake. See, as you can see, when mouse enters, hover class is added, and when mouse leaves, it's removed. So we have a full interactive button by jQuery UI only. On click, it changes its states again. So as you can see, we can create very quickly some awesome buttons using jQuery UI. Thank you for